Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add income in YNAB. But before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So basically what you have to do is go to your accounts, and then on top right click on the plus icon. Then you can link your bank and automatically import transactions, or you can do the unlinked and create your own. So let's do unlink, and let's just name it income. And let's say that this bank account is, whatever, you can use checking, savings, on cash, it depends. So let's just use checking, and you can or you don't have to add your current balance, it doesn't matter. And now you have successfully added income. Now what you can do, if you click on income, if you click on transactions at the bottom, go to inflow. Let's say your income is $2,000 a month. So you add $2,000, you go to choose category, you just find the income you created. Oh, it's not here. Okay, let's just create the income category. Category income. So you just need to create like new income categories. And then you go to the date and you can choose, I'm going to get this on the 1st. And if you're getting $2,000 every month, go to the bottom under repeat and you can say monthly. You click on save, and now if you go to your income, you know that every 2 months you get your income or salary, and it's going to be added here. And then you can use that money for the rest of the things you need. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.